Good afternoon, children. Hope you're all feeling energetic after a short nap in the afternoon, children. Okay, now last GK class we learned about the five senses, isn't it, children? Now take your books and turn to page number 85, children. Can you see the pictures there? Do you remember learning, children? Five senses. What are the five senses? Seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling are the five senses, and the five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, isn't it? They are the five sense organs. Now we'll see about the first sense, that is the sight. We'll see about sight. What are these, children? Look at the picture in the next page, children. Turn to the next page, page number 86. Can you see the picture? What is the picture? It is a picture of eyes, isn't it? How many eyes do we have? We have two eyes, isn't it? What do we do with our eyes, children? We see with our eyes. We see all the things, the world around us, we see with our eyes. Okay, children? How many eyes do we have? We have two eyes and we see with our eyes. Now we'll go through everything. Okay, children? Here, I see a cat. I see a car. I see a rainbow. I see the sun. I see a bird. I see a pen. This is what is given here. Okay, children. Now, move on to the next page, children. Now, we'll move on to the activity, children. Look into the page 87, children. The activity here is circle the things you can see but cannot touch. The things that we are able to see, only see, but we cannot touch them. Okay, children. Look at this. This is the picture of a sun. We can see the sun, isn't it? Can you touch the sun? No. So, we have to circle the sun. Okay, children. Next is the picture of a lightning. Can you see the lightning? We can see the lightning and the clouds, but we cannot touch them. So, we have to circle this. Okay, children. Next one, stars. We can see the stars, but we cannot touch them. So, we have to circle the stars also. Flower, we can touch them, we can see them and we can touch them also. So, we need not circle the flowers. This cat, we are able to see and we are able to touch also, isn't it? So, we need not circle cat. Moon, we can only see the moon, isn't it? We cannot touch the moon. So, we have to circle the moon also. Okay, children. Now, we'll move on to the next topic. The next topic is about hearing. Okay, children. We hear through our, which organ do we hear through, children? We hear through our ears. Can you see the ears? These are the ears. Can you see on both the sides of your head? Here, these are the ears. How many ears do we have? We have two ears and we hear through our ears. What do we hear through our ears? We hear sounds, isn't it? We hear all kinds of sounds through our ears. The sounds may be either loud or soft. Sound may be loud. Loud is very loud sound or very soft sound it might be. Okay. We'll see some of the loud sounds. Loud sounds are sounds of crackers. Bursting crackers during Diwali. During Diwali we burst crackers, isn't it, children? The sound of crackers are very loud. The sound of thunder, the sound of fire engine, the sound of ambulance and the sound of horn. These are all very loud sounds. They pollute the environment and we don't like to hear such sounds, isn't it? Sounds of loud sounds, isn't it? We don't like to hear very loud sounds. Loud sounds are sounds of crackers, thunder, fire engine, ambulance and horn sounds. Okay, children. Next, we'll see some soft sounds. There are some soft sounds which are very soothing to our ears. Okay, children. The sound of breeze. It is very nice to hear, isn't it? Sound of breeze, then ticking of the clock, bird chirping, singing, whispering. These are all soft sounds. Can you see? Breeze, ticking of the clock, birds chirping, singing, whispering. These are all very soft sounds. Now turn to the next page, children. There is an activity here. Circle the pictures which represent loud sounds. Only the pictures which represent loud sounds you have to circle. These crackers, they represent loud sounds, so you have to circle crackers. This bird is singing, chirping, isn't it? It is a soft sound. You need not circle that. This is thunder. So you have to circle this. Thunder sound is very loud. You have to circle it. This is an ambulance, isn't it? Sound of ambulance is also loud. So you have to circle this. This is an fire engine. This is a fire engine, isn't it, children? Sound of fire engine is also loud. So you have to circle this fire engine also. Now we are finishing with the activity. Now after completing the activity, take a photograph and post it in the Google Classroom, children. That's all for now, children. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye. Until then, children. Bye.